Let's start Module 3, Scanning Networks. This is part of CEH version 13. This module has 6 different labs and we will be performing all the labs. Let's start with lab number 1, Perform Host Discovery. In this lab, we will be performing host discovery using Nmap to identify live systems within a subnet. We will also resolve and scan a domain to find the IP address of its hosting machine. Let's get started. So we are going to Parrot machine. We're going to log in with our password Tor, T-O-O-R. I'm going to open up a terminal and upgrade it to root. And let's zoom in a little bit. All right. So right now we are in the terminal. So let's go ahead and run this command nmap-sn-pr followed by the IP address 10.10.1.22. Now -sn that basically disables the port scan and it'll perform an ARP scan by typing -pr. Let's type this command. All right, so I have typed the command and we are going to do an ARP ping scan on the IP address 10.10.1.22. All right, so it says that the host is up. So our machine that's running on .22 is up and running. So the ARP ping scan probes ARP request to the target host. An ARP response means that the host is active. Now we are going to go ahead and perform a UDP ping scan. So the UDP ping scan sends UDP packets to the target host. A UDP response means that the host is active. If the target host is offline or unreachable, various error messages such as host or network unreachable or TTL exceeded could be returned. Let's go ahead and type the command in step number 5. All right, I have typed the command. So let's press the enter key and it still shows that the host is up and running. Now we are going to perform a ICMP echo ping scan. Now for that, the command we're going to use is -pe. That's the switch. Let's type this. Now we will be using this ICMP echo ping scan in order to check if a host is alive, and if it returns an ICMP echo reply, we will know that it is alive, and it can also be used to determine if the ICMP is passing through a particular firewall. Let's press the enter key. All right, so we got the result. We could also perform this scans for an IP range. Now we are going to go ahead and perform an ICMP echo ping for a range of IP address as mentioned here, which is between 10.10.1.10 all the way up to 23. So I have typed the IP range and it has scanned the entire range, and it has like 5 hosts that are up out of the 14 IP addresses that I have scanned. Next, we're going to look at ICMP timestamp ping scan. So ICMP timestamp ping is an optional and additional type of ICMP ping whereby the attacker query a timestamp message to acquire the information related to the current time from the target host machine. So let's go ahead and type. We're going to do the same thing for a specific IP, which is 1.22, and the switch is -pp. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press the enter key, and we got this machine is up and running. So as mentioned, there are a lot of different types of Nmap scans that you can do, and there are commands given here for all your Nmap scans. You could go ahead and try them all. Let's go ahead and answer the security question here. So the question here is perform an ICMP echo ping sweep to discover live host on your network. Subnet, find the number of live hosts in this subnet between 1.2 to 23. So let me just go ahead and do a ping sweep scan. So I have put the command here, nmap-sn-pe 10.10.1.2 to 23, and I've pressed the enter key, and it has 7 hosts that are up. So I'm going to give the answer as 7, and that is correct. Let's move on to the next question. Perform host discovery using nmap to find the IP address of the machine hosting www.goodshopping.com. Now, the command for that is nmap-sn www.goodshopping.com, and let's press the enter key. And we will get the IP address 10.10.1.19. Let's type that. And then click on score. All right, so that brings us an end to lab number 1, perform host discovery. Thank you.